Hey guys, it's Zehra from TheFitnest. Thanks for coming back. Today we're making a staple recipe, a perfect side dish, sweet potato fries. So this is something we love with our burgers, steak, chicken. It's a great way to change it up from regular fries. Really healthy. Sweet potatoes are packed with so many good nutrients. I'm going to show you how to make them so they come out delicious and super crispy.
First off, sweet potatoes are rich in iron, high in fiber, and they will keep you full.
Alright, so I started off by washing my potatoes. I'm going to peel them. You want to peel them, I mean, you could do them with the skin on. I just like them with the skin off. Peel them and then you're going to cut them into equal size fry pieces.
A few health benefits of sweet potatoes are they are high in vitamin A and C, high in potassium and calcium.
Alright, now that the sweet potatoes are all chopped, got my arm workout in, these are the ingredients. We're going to add cornstarch, that's going to crisp it up. We've got olive oil, roasted red pepper flakes, we've got garlic powder, salt, and black pepper, and then I'm going to add in a little bit of coriander.
Adding in a teaspoon of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of roasted red pepper flakes to add a little kick. I've got 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then you want to give that a nice little mix. Coat your fries with that spice mixture. Make sure it gets on each one. And then I'm putting in about 1/4 cup of olive oil. And again, mix that so it coats all the fries. And then you're going to take your coriander, chop it up. I like lots of coriander, so I put about 1/4 to 1/2 cup, but you can add as much as you want. Fresh coriander is better. And again, mix that all up to coat your fries.
Alright, so now that it's all mixed in, don't be afraid to get your hands in. It's easier to mix it all in. I have lined my baking trays with parchment paper, that way it doesn't stick. And the best way to get them super crispy is to make sure that you space them apart. So give yourself a little bit of space in between. A little bit of care and love, but I promise you they turn out so nice and crispy. And it's just so pretty having them all in a nice straight line. So if you've got kids at home, great to get the kids to help with this. So important for them to like feel the food and see all the fresh ingredients that you're putting in.
I've got my oven set at 375 degrees. Pop your trays in your oven. I like to switch them halfway just so that I make sure everything is cooked evenly.
Alright, so we just took them out of the oven, but make sure that you flip them halfway through. We did about 10 minutes per side, and my oven, the bottom tends to be a little bit stronger, so I usually just move them top and bottom. So here they are. You can see they've crisped up nicely. It smells so good. I like to take them and put them in a little bowl. All these little beauties. And there you have it, sweet potatoes, perfect for any side. These sometimes disappear before we even eat dinner. The kids will munch on them. I'm gonna try one. This one looks nice and crispy. Nice and crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. I hope you give these a try. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried sweet potato fries. And as always, feel free to subscribe. I love sharing all things food, fitness, and family. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.